Okay, we are live. It looks like we are getting a push higher, so we have this for value gap here. Um, it's very interesting. Now, we aren't delivering from anywhere, so I don't like that. So I'm gonna get rid of this. Okay, so that was so weird. I forgot to choose the thumbnail, but hopefully we are good now with the thumbnail. I'm glad I realized that. I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter that much, but yeah. This is interesting. But yeah, like I said, this data high seems to be the draw. We have this 1 hour for value gap, as mentioned before. This 4 hour order block, we did sweep out this low with this 4 hour order block, so it's possible we want to come down to this 4 hour order block here. We'll mark that out. 4 hour order block, which is also at the bottom of the gap conveniently. So yeah, Thursdays are just a lot higher probability, honestly. Like, I mean, not Thursdays, days with high impact news. But yeah, today we did have CPI come out. Let's pull up Forex Factory and take a look at that. Oh, man, it's so much better when you have high impact news. It's ridiculous. Yeah, CPI today. I mean, price action is just smooth today compared to the last 2 days. Wow. I mean, not this, but I mean, this data wick is nice, really, really nice. So draw this out, and I do want to draw out the standard deviations here. Once we get some kind of manipulation move lower, I will draw out the standard deviations and then see if they align with this wick here, because that's what I want to see. Honestly, I want to see the standard deviations align. These are also somewhat relatively equal highs. But this previous month's high does seem to me like the weekly objective. Oh, I was going to show you guys how this is a classic expansion week. So if I go to AM Trades, weekly profiles. I didn't finish, so I usually film 2 videos in the morning every morning, and I only finished, wait, is this on the right setting? Oh yeah.
In the external low of that.
Here's classic expansion week. Now I'm gonna pull this over. You can see that Monday manipulates down into a key level, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday expand, hit the weekly objective, and then this light is kind of bright. I'm gonna turn it down just a little bit. Okay, like I was saying, we have Monday forms the low of the week, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday go up, hit the weekly objective, and then we have our classic TGIF. So, which is that Friday retracement after hitting the weekly objective. So, yeah, this is really interesting. I honestly see us coming down into this 4 hour order block. I don't know how long it's gonna take. Price looks like it's moving kind of slow, but we'll see. I mean, this is a pretty clear draw on liquidity. I think we will come down and push into this area. That's my guess. Seems like we haven't taken out all the liquidity that needs to get taken out. Looks like this low probably be targeted. Looks like we hit the CE of this fair value gap, or kind of. Let's get rid of these other boxes here because we don't need them anymore. So this is also previous hour's lows. So I think this will be a draw. And then hopefully we'll come into this order block here. But we'll see. We still got 15 minutes until the market opens. Oh, let's figure out what daily profile this is. So to me, this looks like New York reversal because we have this key level here, this 1 hour for value gap, and London was already moving down, so New York's on its way down still, and then I could see New York reversing out of this 1 hour for value gap because this 1 hour for value gap seems to me like it's possibly the key level, right? I mean, this is the only key level I really see along with this order block here. So, no really other. Let's go and look at the sessions just to make sure. Okay, 20 until midnight. It's just good to mark these out because it kind of gives you a good perspective. 20 until midnight. Okay. Now you'll notice we perfectly came up and swept Asia's highs. That's pretty cool. So yeah, London. I swear, London must be so easy to trade because like every single time I notice in London, it's like we take out Asia's one side of Asia and then we go to the other side. I mean, I know that's kind of the same with New York, like, but still, like, it's like ridiculous how easy London is sometimes. Because so many times I'll come in the morning and I'll just be like, oh wow, it literally just did the same thing it always does. Takes out one side of Asia and then goes to the other side. Yeah, I think we're at some point we're gonna get a move back up to this data wick here. So I guess our question is, so we got a 5-minute. Looks like we got a 5-minute change in state of delivery here. 5-minute CASD. I mean, if this 2-minute could close above, one option is moving stop loss to break even here, and then just letting runners run. Especially if we come down and we deliver from this fair value gap here, which is also a BPR. I mean, that would seem pretty nice to me. And also, I wonder if we have any SMT at all. Low, lower low, low, lower low. Okay. I don't see any SMT yet. If you want to take high probability setups, you need to align your trades with time. In this video, but yeah, like I was saying, it's important to understand like the context of this, right? Because we're delivering from a weekly fair value gap, and then within that we're delivering from a 4-hour fair value gap. Then within that we're delivering from this 1-hour fair value gap. So contextually, and we have a data wick and we have previous month's high. Contextually, it makes a lot of sense to run this previous month's high, right? I mean, it really does. And then eventually, possibly all-time highs, just depending on how this weekly fair value gap holds. Just depends. Okay, let's go back in the charts here. Let's actually pay attention. So, I do think we could come down into this order block, but I will be open-minded if we come into this BPR and get a reaction. So we'll see. But I'd prefer us to come fill this fair value gap, honestly. If I measure this from discount to premium, let's see where discount is. You can see we barely hit discount here. This order block in discount seems like it's the right idea. So this is equilibrium of this price range. This is in discount. Just watching. I swear I haven't gotten a good trade in so long. It's been a long time. Not like I haven't spotted good trades, but I haven't like. It's been a lot of break evens. It's kind of annoying. But I know I'm gonna get there. I'm not gonna stop. It's not gonna stop trading until I'm where I need to be. Alright. Yeah, this data wick and the previous month's high really do seem like strong draws. Market opens in 6 minutes. So we are delivering. Oh, we swept this low. We are delivering from a fair value gap. this is a pretty nice setup. If we got this, I would probably take it, but I had to move my stop loss to break even right away. So there's a good chance it could be a break even. Did we get an S&T? If we got an S&T, this goes from like A to A plus. $8.56, $9.22, $8.56. Wait, did we? $8.56. This is a high or low. No way. There's an S&T. Whoa. Okay, so if we get this is like a lot better now. 850, 856. $9.22, 856, $9.22. Oh, we're getting a push up. The market open yet? 3 minutes. 3 minutes till market open. This looks nice, honestly. Do we have any equal highs or equal lows? That's something important that we should be looking for. As well, like high time frame SMTs, that kind of thing. Like if this is an SMT, then that would be an issue, I would say. We got a high and then a lower high. A high. Then a lower high. A high. High and then a higher high. High and then a higher high. High and lower high. Yeah, there's no SMT there. I think we're fine. Okay. Market opens in 1 minute. We'll see. Okay, getting a push lower. So, like I said, I do think we could go to this order block here. Or we could just have a wick down and then inverse this right away. So we got a 922 low, 930 low, 922 low, 930 low, high low, 922, 931, 922. So they just formed another SMT. Okay, we just got another SMT. Oh, wait. Yeah, that's another SMT. Okay, this looks really good. Okay, alright, 30 seconds. Delivering from this BPR here. Okay. Okay, stop loss to break even. Oh, okay, I got stopped out of break even. Actually, this is kind of a conviction play. I think I'll just hold here. Because we got two SMTs. Yeah, this is a conviction play, honestly. Unless we got an SMT here. If this is an SMT, then I'm getting out. High. Higher high. High. Higher high. What the heck? What is going on? Why is it doing that? Did we make equal lows? Oh, we made equal lows. That's not good. Yeah, I could take a look at gold. We're forming another bullish SMT.